Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox a very interesting 1 to 400 scale Boeing 747-400 of British Airways, and the box interestingly also printed a Qantas logo onto it, and we're gonna find out why in a minute. So let's go ahead and flip this box over to a very interesting 3 photographs. So in these 3 photographs you see pictures of different 747-400. 2 of it is British Airways and 1 of it is Qantas. So as you can tell already, these are special liveries. And the story goes that back in the day, British Airways actually spent $100 million to repaint the tails on their aircraft into this special Utopia livery, or it's representing different countries with abstract art. So our one here is in the middle. It represents Denmark. So this livery actually is a source to many controversies. A lot of people hated it, and even the British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher actually threw handkerchief over the tail of one of the model planes when she see it in 1997.
One customer in particular was most unimpressed with the new cosmopolitan designs.
We ride the British flag, not those awful things you're putting on tape. Terrible feminine.
Lady Thatcher famously trying to preempt today's decision with a one-woman protest.
So without further ado, let's go and open this box and let's see if it's really as ugly as the people call it back in the day, or is it actually nice. So the price here actually says $79.90, but I actually got it for $20 because the gear is actually broken, and you will see in a minute. So now I've opened the top covering of the plastic, and we're gonna go in and very carefully pick up this 747. Alright. Now as you can see, its registration is GBNLH, and you can see the Denmark tail, which is extremely beautiful in my opinion, and the British Airways livery, which is quite crisp. Also, as I told you guys, the gear is broken, so let's flip that over to see. Every single one of those gear is gone. Like, who did this? But other than the gear, everything is fine. Look at the gear doors and the nose gear door with the LH printed on it, which is extremely crisp. Here we see some pitot tubes and even the windshield wipers in front of the 747 windshield. And even some Rolls-Royce logos printed on the engines, and the flap track fairings, and also the registration under the wings. Oops, not focusing. Alright. So in my opinion, this model gets 8 out of 10. 2 because the gears are gone, but it does add a nice aircraft to my collection. So as you can see. However, I'm still looking for a stand to put this because the model doesn't actually come with a stand. So there's a hole here to put the stand. So I'm still currently finding. If you guys have any stand that you guys know about and is compatible to this 1-400 Boeing 747, please leave a comment and I will go and find it and get it for this very beautiful British Airways 747. So some of you might be wondering what was the Qantas logo on the box. Why was it printed there? So the story goes that Qantas needed to lease a plane from British Airways, and it happened to be this Denmark 747. So since it's not a very long lease, it's not a permanent buy, Qantas actually painted their name onto the aircraft directly without actually stripping the tail and putting the flying kangaroo livery, which is quite funny considering that Qantas absolutely hate this livery, and though British Airways tried to get them to paint their tails to this livery because British Airways actually has a 25% ownership of Qantas. Qantas actually stood their ground and said that nothing would fly without the kangaroo on the tail, so that is why Qantas didn't get the Utopia livery like this British Airways 747, which obviously everyone hates. And yeah, so that's the story of this Qantas. And also the funny thing about this Qantas is the registration is VHLNLH, which jokingly stood for never leaves the hangar. That's because the two airways uses different systems, and this plane had to be brought into the hangar for many maintenance, and it's extremely difficult to get the systems to align. So that's the joke on this Qantas aircraft. So that's the end of our unboxing video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And subscribe and comment which model I should unbox next.